Our second choir for the evening says it has been a long time coming and they're ready to be crowned this year's winner. Please help me welcome the school that has God in everything they do. Give it up for the Godfrey Stewart High School.
God, man. Me know the number, no, you can't go back to the old tune, them, man.
So we need you to just think about that.
Godfrey Stewart. I'm so proud of this choir because I remember the first item that you did, and I hear that this is the first time you're entering the competition. And you enter the first time and you're all the way up to the semifinals. I think you are already a winner. That song that you just did, great vibes, harmony good. I like the arrangements. I like the contrast. And you people expressed it so well. And after you sing about that, the number with the 8 at the end, you shouldn't have any problems for people voting for you.
The medley was engaging. You captivated my mind. You have listened to the judges. I remember giving you some tips. You have done your homework. You deserve to be a member of the Fantastic Four. What's your number? 444 what?
8808.
You want to say it again?
444-8808.
See you next week.
Without a doubt.
Did we just buck up in this year's winner? If you believe Godfrey Stewart did enough to be in the top 3, then give them your support by calling or texting VOTE to 444-8808. Remember, schools will keep their vote numbers assigned to them, so please pay close attention and make sure you show some love by voting. We're upon our first break, and the heat is already on in the studio. More All Together Sing on the other side of this break.